Never ending work hours, stressful projects, chaotic management, work life imbalance, non appreciating superiors, unsatisfying work experience, and the never ending cycle of a messed up sleep schedule. Wait, is this your life story? Well, sadly, you are not alone. Welcome to the world of corporate slavery. Hey, but aren't things getting different now? Well. Modernism has certainly taught people to appreciate themselves for their work. And guess what? This has enabled them to handle the job well. But in reality, this is the explanation for the rising dropout rates which have resulted in a period of great resignation. Batten down the hatches because what we're about to tell you will undoubtedly amaze you. Just count to three, and there you have it. What if I told you in April 2021, a record high 4 billion people withdrew and left their jobs for good? Yes, things changed after the pandemic, and they changed dramatically. If you are curious about the reasons, keep watching. We are about to tell you everything from the causes to the solution of the great resignation. If you're weary of your job or sick of your boss, this video is perfect for you. Guess what? This may be able to assist you in finding a flea as well. The consensus of working remotely. Who could have predicted the terrifying COVID-19 transformations? The work sector, just like others of such adjustments, did not go unaltered. Well, dude, you can't deny it. Working from the coziness of your home has proven to be fascinating. Of course, who wouldn't want a job that isn't nerve-wracking? Who would miss the chance to get away from the hassle of driving, getting dressed, and gearing up? Hey, not only did it save time, but it also increased the working capacity by a significant margin. Yes, indeed, you're absolutely correct. This is the most important reason. The grand work from home addiction pushed workers to seek out such jobs and abandon their usual stressful occupations. This isn't like having double the fun. It is, right? Having the comforts of home while also earning money in turn? That's for sure. Wait for a second. How about transforming a workplace into a welcoming and relaxing environment? Give it a shot. The outcomes will undoubtedly be self-evident. At least, that's what the stats show. The versatility and agility. The second most significant reason is this. People have felt restricted as they return to the office after the tryouts of home-based jobs. They couldn't stand the sense of being watched every now and then. Here's how things got even worse. All cursed to the strict time constraints. Well, who doesn't like the idea of working at leisure? Who wouldn't like to adjust their timetable following their desires? Haven't you heard the expression, necessity is the mother of invention? Yes, that implementation snuck in and caused the folks to give up. They finally decided to resign for good. Want to know how to stay away from it? Flexibility within confines is all it requires. But one has to act wisely. Remember, there's no term to absolute freedom. The fixed pay. The pandemic urged that the employees are empowered to give heed to all the efforts they put in and their incomes. You know what? Next, they compared it with what they earned from the virtual hourly paid work platforms. You heard that right. Have you ever been praised or rewarded with a bonus for working that extra hour? Don't worry, we already know the answer. The increased money from remote jobs drew the workers in like gold. Yes, you are correct. They made the transition and chose to enter that golden planet. The magical world where the efforts are recognized and rewarded with. Cash. Isn't this a good deal? Well, it certainly is. If you are curious, the answer is simple. It's avoidance. The companies must take advantage of the reward offer. The high quality work it will produce will stun them for sure. The lack of insight. Well, it's a fragile matter. A simple loss of interaction between the highest and the lowest levels can prove to be drastic. Do you know why? All because it's emotionally as well as physically draining. Do you know what happens next? Well, it's natural. Such people cannot be expected to do well at work. A smooth workflow is necessary for great input and the ultimate results. A workplace where the highest and the lowest level of management may communicate easily is necessary. Who doesn't want to work in an environment that is compassionate and considerate? That is correct. A company should be designed in such a way that it is eager to hear the concerns of its employees. That's still not it. The complaints must be dealt with properly. Here's a helpful hint. Did you know that all that's required for a loyal worker is as simple as 1, 2, and 3? It's all about two-way communication and feedback. Once you ace that, you erase the lack of insight and fulfill it with transparency and prompt communication. The generational chasm. Regardless of how much energy the youth possesses, it is the same youth who gives up and quits. Well, you heard that correctly. It's not easy to tread a fine line between work and home. Again, I repeat, it is not easy. Do you know why? Well, that is because the newly formed households and connections require time coupled with some exhausting efforts. Don't you believe life is fascinating yet thrilling at the very same time? To prevent from giving up, one definitely needs support. It was discovered to be another hidden yet major reason for resignations and dropouts in general surveys. Feel free to express your thoughts in the comment section below if you have ever felt the same. Anyways, don't worry, there is a solution to everything. So here's how to fix it. Youth should be promoted at all times to sustain competitive advantages. You won't believe it, but hey, the motivation can be instilled with a simple act as a praise. Remember that once motivation sets in, the youth certainly becomes unstoppable and unbeatable. The boundaries and limitations. Now, have you heard that saying that if you put a bird in a cage, it forgets how to fly? Yes, the same is true to talents and skills. The same is true to the outcomes as well as the breakthrough. Unbelievable, isn't it? While the COVID-19 provided new prospects and benefits, just wait for a second. Aren't there always two sides to every story? Bravo, you got that right. We all know how associations were restricted by the pandemic. Did you know it simply put a halt to fresh concepts? What next? Life gets as lifeless as fall trees when there is no inventiveness. There's still another motive for resignation. What if I told you I knew something you didn't know? It's about the mind game. Did you know the human brain enjoys being tested and challenged? Yep, that is correct. It's never too late, so don't worry. Here's what you could still do. With the encouragement of meetings and conferences, healthy brains can pick up and innovate. It is a must-have in a company that wishes to gain success in the longer run. The uncertainty. Companies were forced to fire staff on short notice due to the pandemic. This caused worry, agitation, and stress among the workers, prompting them to seek out solid and steady sources of income. Yeah, that's right. That's where the remote employment and online jobs came into play. Guess what? Here comes the best part. The employee's flexibility and independence will make switching between employment much easier. It's like if you're not fond of the job, change it. You don't like your boss? Look for a new one. Super cool. That's what the workers think. Thanks to the internet, all these amusing features are only a click away. This is what we must do to overcome the barrier. The employees should safeguard themselves. They need to be recognized. Their issues and concerns should be addressed. Here's a pro tip. Stress needs to be minimized to optimize the ability and capabilities. Did you know this could be an effective strategy for reducing the 2.9% resigning rate in the United States? The pandemic awakening. Hey, here's a question for you. Why are people still unemployed although the demand for labor is significantly greater than the number of job seekers? Yep, keep thinking, but don't think too hard. Let's just make things easy for you. You know what? It's fatigue. It's the restlessness, notably amongst the frontline staff in healthcare, coverage, restaurant work, and sales. You would be surprised to know that they wished to retire before the outbreak but stayed because they had no choice. So, isn't the pandemic like a blessing in disguise? Well, it all depends on how one perceives it. Did you know the fundamental reason for the job shift is that the people recognize themselves? They recognize their worth and efforts. As a result, the values and objectives shifted tremendously. Just as this was going on, the idea of new businesses struck in. Of course, dude, who wouldn't want to be their boss, right? Isn't it the perfect blend of personal liberty and freedom of work? Just wait until you give it a shot. Hey, before we end this video, let's play a game. Close your eyes and ask yourself, on a scale of 1 to 100, how effective was this video for you? Well, it's a challenge, so don't forget to leave a comment in the space below. And while you resign from this video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and share it with fellow curious beings. So, what exactly are you waiting for? Stay curious, stay awesome. Until we meet next, Volt of Vox signing off.